Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will know about output devices of computer divided into two types: soft copy devices, hard copy devices. In soft copy devices, monitor, projector, audio speaker, headphones, while in hard copy devices, printer, plotter. As we talked about earlier, monitor in the previous lectures. So let's start with printer. It further divided into two types: impact printer and non-impact printer. Differences are: it strikes paper directly while printing. It does not strike paper directly while printing. It makes noise while printing. It does not make noise while printing. Impact printer is economic, non-impact printer costly. Further, impact printers are of four types: daisy wheel printer, line printer, dot matrix printer, teletype printer. Non-impact printers are further of three types: thermal printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Now let's look at of all these types in some details. First, daisy wheel printer. It can't print graphics. Its speed measured in CPS, character per second. Second, line printer. Speed measured in LPM, lines per minute. Next, dot matrix printer. It uses hammer and ribbon. Its speed measured in CPS, character per second. Now, it was all about impact printer. Let's talk about non-impact printer types. First, thermal printer. It uses heat to print. It is of no ink. Thermochromic paper is used for ATM receipt, mall ticket printing. Its speed measured in ppm, pages per minute. Next, laser printer. It uses powder cartridges, toner photocopy technologies. It is fastest in speed. Its speed measured in ppm, used for Xerox. Next, inkjet printer. It uses ink cartridges. Here we used powder cartridges, but here we used in the inkjet printer ink cartridges, used for printing and scanning needs in home and offices, all in one peripheral. Its speed measured in ppm. Some important points. First printer was EP101, developed by Epson Company. Resolution of printer is measured in DPI, dots per inch, while speed of printer measured in CPM, LPM, ppm. Full form we have earlier seen. Next output device, plotter. It gives highest printing quality. It is first output device to print vector graphics and large engineering drawing. Pen, pencil, marker used by architecture. Its type are further divided into drum and flat pad. Drum, which consists of pins, it pins paper back and forth on a cylindrical drum, whereas in flatbed, paper remains stationary on a flat surface. In drum, pen moves left and right. In flatbed, pen moves across it. Drum, also known as roller plotter. Flatbed, used with many CAD programs. Drum has lower resolution and flatbed has higher resolution. One more, digitizer is used in drawing, painting, etc. So this was all about output devices of computer. Thank you.